Does your system have a good quality tubes? Before purchase, please compare the types of tubes used in Sudarshan Saur brand and other brand systems. The tube is very important part of the solar system. Sudarshan Saur has its own tube testing lab, where the tube is evaluated with the help of state-of-the-art machine made by the European called Optosol. In India, we have such a machine, in which, according to the instruction of the certified institutions, the Sudarshan Saur tubes absorb more than 92% of the sun rays and emits 6 to 7%. Thank you.